Alright, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your Ethereum tokens or ERC20 tokens onto the Binance Smart Chain BEP20 format. Let me show you guys how to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the Binance Smart Chain Bridge. So I'll leave the link for that in the description, but you could just Google Binance Bridge. It's the first one that shows up. Okay, so on the top right here, you should have the option to connect to your wallet, and you're going to choose MetaMask, connect wallet, and it should connect to your MetaMask. Just to keep things simple, we're going to go transfer from Ethereum onto the BEP20 network, and we want to make sure that we have some Ethereum on our MetaMask. So this is loaded up with some ETH here, and I'm choosing ETH here as the asset that I'm transferring. So I'm going to type in the amount that I want to swap into. And at the bottom here, the destination, that's going to be the wallet that you're sending it to. Now, the wallet you're sending it to, make sure that it's a BEP20 wallet. Make sure that it's a Binance Smart Chain wallet. Okay, so I've got the address here where I'm sending it to, and I'm just gonna hit next. You're confirming that you're sending Ethereum into the wallet that you input, the wallet address. There's no network fee apparently right now, and just confirming here the amount that I'm gonna be receiving, again in BEP20 format. So just agree, confirm, and submit transaction. And of course there is a gas fee, I knew it. So I'm gonna hit yes because it's only $8. Confirm it, and this might take a while, so I will be back. But as you can see now, the Ethereum has successfully arrived into my Binance Smart Chain wallet after a few minutes, and it's all done through the bridge. So this is the perfect solution if you cannot access Binance.com in your country, because this is the only way you can bridge BEP20 to ERC20 and vice versa. So if this video helped you, give me a thumbs up. It helps me get found by other people who need this kind of information. I try to make my videos as straight and to the point as possible. So hopefully this helped you. And if you guys want to join our Discord channel where we just talk about different coins and just really casual stuff, you can click the link in the description and you can join us, as well as my Twitter where I tweet about different projects and stuff that's cool on my radar. So thanks for watching.